gonna be able tempting to try and drink a whole Mountain Dew. So, yeah, this is gonna be bad. So you can. It's a full one. It's not. Oh, that's